everybody, this is Michelle, and I'm here today to share my third and final design team project for the paper collection that I received in February. It's not my final design team project. I'm going to do more, but final for this paper collection, I should say. I'm using the Purebred line from Authentique, and it is an absolute gorgeous paper line that really can showcase your love for your pets. And it has dogs and cats themes in it. And the first two projects I did, mainly dog themed. I'm a dog person. I'm allergic to cats, so I can't. I like cats, but I just can't be around them. So I'm a dog person. But this project, I combined both and made something that if you have a dog and a cat, you totally can use this for both of them. And I just thought I'd do a walkthrough. I've been sick, and that's why this is so late getting out. But I'm going to do the walkthrough, and I'm going to try and get the tutorial done as fast as I can. But it's been pretty tough, and right now I'm absolutely exhausted. So we'll see. I'm hoping to get it up by tomorrow, Wednesday at the latest. So anyway, please bear with me. I know that I'm still not feeling well. So let's get started. I'll go through the walkthrough, and again, this paper collection's from Country Craft Creations, and it's just absolutely beautiful. I got the papers, and they came with stickers. On the back of this album, I put some of my best friends never say a word to me, and that's really true of those of us who have our pets. They are truly our best friends. The cover, I put an image with a dog and a cat on it, and these two little kids, and they're just adorable. And the sentiment says, "Our perfect companions never have fewer than 4 feet." And I just love it, and I just thought that would be a perfect beginning for this folio. So the dots are gem dots from Graphic 45 that I got in a previous design team package. I had some left over. I thought it would be perfect for this collection, so I used those on the cover as well. And I kept it kind of simple. That's all the bling I did this time. I used gray artisan cardstock, and I used the craft artisan cardstock as well. And I just thought those colors went perfect with this paper line. I tried a couple different combinations, and I just thought these were the best. In the design team package, I got the seam binding in these 3 colors, and I just loved them, and I had a little bit left over. So I used that for my closure, so it's just a simple ribbon closure. And the folio itself measures, it's 2 inches wide, 8.5 inches tall, 6.5 inches wide. So it's fairly good size, and it'll fit a lot of stuff. And I have come up with a couple different little things in here to make it a little bit different. So it just unties, and when you open it up, you'll see the first 2 panels here. So this mimics this over here. So they're both kind of the same, but I have one that's cat themed and one that's dog themed. And then in the middle, I have a little bit of surprise. So let's get started with the cat side, and we'll just open this up. I created a waterfall that is also a pocket. So each one of the waterfall pages has a nice tag for a picture. And all I did was I used a punch that I had in my stash just to... and this thing is so old, it's almost broke too. I think it's actually on its last leg, but I've had this forever and ever and ever, and it's my favorite file tab punch. And so I use that just on some cardstock just to create some tags to put photos on. And each pocket has one of those, and they're just all plain, but then I used some of the cut aparts here and covered the fronts of the waterfalls. I didn't do anything with the backside. I just left those plain, and these images are just so pretty. And then underneath is just a nice blank space where you could put another picture as well. And then this side opens up, and it has 2 places with pockets. So I just used some of the cut aparts in the pockets, and use some of the stickers to decorate. And then over here I used a button with some embroidery floss, and I got this button in the last Happy Mail swap I just got from Debbie Lindblom, and the buttons were like the perfect color, so I used a couple of those in the project as well. So thank you, Debbie, for giving me those. That worked out really well for the project. So then this closes up, and this is one of the new things that I did. I put a seam binding tie closure that not only keeps the waterfalls closed, but it also keeps this folio side closed. So it's kind of a dual purpose kind of closure here. So that was one of the new things that I played with, and it worked out really pretty well. So it's kind of a one type of closure, but it worked two different ways. So again, on the other side, same thing, dog themed on this side. So again, this has pockets, and the pockets open up the opposite direction, but they have the same kind of tags. And these are all the dog images. And again, underneath I put a sticker here that says, "Some things fill your heart without trying." And that is for sure true with these pup dogs. And then again, same pockets, so it mirrors the other side. And I used some of the cut aparts in the pockets, and there's plenty of room to put more. Another one of the buttons Debbie gave me. And I have a couple cut aparts in here. There's lots more room to fit other pictures, and I use the same closure, so it's a kind of a dual purpose closure. It not only closes this flap, but it also closes the waterfall. So that's kind of a new thing. Not real super fancy, but a new idea, kind of a dual purpose kind of thing. But the middle part is what I'm really excited about. So I have a accordion pocket here, which we've seen before, but here's the difference on this one. It's also a closure. So this comes off. It's attached with magnets that I attach to the flaps, and then that opens up, and then you have another belly band, which now I can't get this out, that I put in here, and then I just used some of the leftover Spectrum paper from Authentique to make some more tags. And there's plenty of photo opportunities on the flaps themselves, but then this just sticks down, and then that closes the whole thing, so it keeps it nice and tidy. But then the nice thing is that you can take this envelope out, and we can see that it is a big envelope. It has a 1/4 inch gusset at the bottom, and it has a 2-inch wide area here, and it also has a nice gusseted top too, so you could fit quite a bit of things in here. And I thought it would be good to put, like, if this was like your pet's first album or whatever, you know, we like to keep our stuff, so vet things can go in here, all kinds of different stuff. But anyway, that's my new kind of idea to create an interactive closure that is actually kind of a separate entity in and of itself. So again, on here I put some stickers from the collection, used a little embroidery floss to accent it, and there you go. So that is my folio album. Oh wait, I forgot. See, I'm sick. I have this area here, which I created just accordion folds, so you can see one has a cat on the front, and then this one up here has a dog on it, but they open up, and there's more opportunities for more photos, and they both just open up with a tie, a piece. So I couldn't think of anything fancy to put on that one, but I will come up with one later. But anyways, so I just left those plain to do the do your pictures on. So yes, that is my album, and I hope you like it. I'm gonna get the tutorial done here real soon, and I do apologize for being late. I have been really sick, and I'm still obviously not up to my full speed yet, so it's been a really bad bug. So anyway, there's my album, and this is my Purebred Folio, and it has the different closures with the dual purpose tie and the I don't know, pull off accordion folder. I don't know what to call it yet, but I'll figure it out. Anyway, that is my project. I hope you like it, and stay tuned. I will be back soon with a tutorial. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.